G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Severe thunderstorms fired up for the third consecutive afternoon in many places across Queensland today. But blue skies have now pushed northward to Bundaberg, and by tomorrow the entire state should be clear and sunny once more. It'll be a hot weekend, though slightly cooler at night. 38 millimetres at Paradise Lagoon overnight. We had 35 mils at Trebon. Strathbogie further south had 31 mils. In Ingham we had 29, and Paluma picked up 26 at the Ivy Cottage. Same combination today of unrelenting heat with high humidity. The mercury hit 33 degrees at Ayr and Townsville after a night on 23. To the satellite loop, well, the atmosphere exploded as we expected right across eastern Queensland, but this time the storms were north of about Bundaberg, you can see, because the drier southerly had already pushed through the Darling Downs by early this morning and had gone right through the southeast coast district and Wide Bay as well. But certainly for tropical areas we had severe storms again. Warnings went up and have been cancelled since, and there are more coming. It's all willy-nilly. They should be all gone by today. Tomorrow it'll be pretty much clear except for one or two inland storms left over in the tropics. Today's chart, there's a trough that produced today's storms. It's the dotted line there just straddling the coastline. You can see how it's already crossing the coast around Fraser Island. So south of it, we've got a much drier southwesterly wind displacing that humidity and clearing the storms. Tomorrow's chart, the trough basically disappears, but the top end of it remains, so we might get one or two small storms just around the Atherton Tablelands. And then on the outlook chart, we've got the dry air going right through Queensland. It'll be a hot day, but there should be no rain anywhere. Latest now from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Townsville waters, northwest to northeast winds 10 to 15 knots only tomorrow, same again pretty much on Sunday. Then Monday we've got a straight northerly under 15 knots. Late morning high tide tomorrow, and it won't be as large as the tides we've recently seen. We're slowly moving away from new moon and approaching the neap tide. Herbert and Burdekin, the heat wave warning continues. Slight chance of an afternoon storm probably inland. 25 to 35 for Townsville, Ayr 36 degrees, Ingham again 35, Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders. Slight chance of an afternoon storm. Charters Towers 35 and Georgetown, would you believe, 40. Looking ahead for Townsville, the next rain opportunity will be Monday or especially Tuesday. It'll come in the form of a trough passage with a band of showers, maybe even a storm, and a slight easing of temperatures. That's all, folks. If you're new to 7 Local Weather and confused about the charts and whatnot, I'll try every so often to recycle some old educational snippets and throw in some new ones as well. Over time, you'll hopefully pick up the tools of the trade. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, good on you, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Have a wonderful weekend. See you back Monday night.
And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7 Plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us here, enjoy your weekend. Good night.
Good night.